Hello, in this video we look at past National Grade 6 Assessment Examination, and we'll do so through engaging videos. We make learning fun again. What you can expect is that I will explain to you step by step how to solve the problems that came in the past National Grade 6 Assessment Examination, so you will know how to do and how to approach the problem come exam time. Now, this review is based upon past National Grade 6 Assessment examinations in mathematics for the year 2020. So you are dealing with up-to-date material. Now on your screen you see a word cloud, a word cluster, which is a cluster of words, the terms that make up the grade school syllabus and the curriculum. So the examination is based upon your knowledge, understanding, and skills. Say for example, solving fractions, converting fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions, and percents to fractions, and percent to decimals, and so on. And it will test you on things like calculating the area, number systems, simple interest, profit and loss, circles, grids, number sequences, and much more. So step by step I'll explain how to solve those problems so that you'll be well prepared come exam time. Why? Because you would have already seen it and now you can do it. During the course of the videos, I'll ask you to pause the video, take out your notebook, and work along with me. That way you will be actively involved in learning. And one of the benefits of that is that you will retain more of what you are learning. Rather than sitting passively like you do in a classroom, here you will be actively engaged with learning. In addition to that, there are a set of multiple choice quizzes that accompany this module, so you can use that to reinforce, review, or revise what you've learned in your classroom. You'll be able to jumpstart your learning. So, are you ready? Great. Let me Here we are looking at the actual paper of a past National Grade 6 assessment for the year 2020. So you can see we are dealing with the authentic stuff there. Reading time 10 minutes, writing time 60 minutes. You're expected to read the instructions. Take your time. You can pause the video at any time. Now, how do we go about reviewing past papers? Well, take for example question 1. The instruction is, in the diagram below, each figure shows the letter E formed by joining dots on a square grid. I will explain to you how to approach the problem, what the problem is asking you to do. It's asking you, it's testing your ability to recognize patterns. When you look at this figure 1, you see it has 3 dots connected on a horizontal line, 3 dots connected vertically, and 3 dots connected horizontally, and 2 dots connected in the middle there. When you look at figure 2 and you compare it with figure 1, you see a 4 and there you have 2, 4 horizontally, 4 vertically, 4 horizontally, and 2. So what's the difference? This is 2 more than the first figure. This is for this the horizontal and the vertical and the horizontal, and it's 1 more for the connection in the middle. So this question tests your ability to pay attention to what you're seeing on your screen and recognizing a pattern, and so be able to draw the pattern here. In the next video, I'll actually solve the problem and draw the pattern for you to see. It asks you to draw the figure of the pattern on the diagram above, and you ask how many dots will be in figure 5. Then because of your recognition of the pattern, you'll be able to say how many dots will be in figure 5. And in part C, you'll be able to answer the question which figure will have 50 dots, and so on. So I'll take you step by step through the problem. Part D, the table below shows the number of dots X that is used to make each letter E. Fill in the missing values in the table below. Here again, this part of the problem tests your ability to recognize a sequence. You see a pattern there, 8 is equal to 7 by 1 plus 1. This row here, it's 7 by 2 plus 1. So the pattern shows that this number increases 1, 2, 3, whereas the other numbers remain the same. So you can deduce what goes there and get the correct answer. So I'll take you step by step. Part E of the problem, complete the number sequence, the number sentence below to show the rule for the number pattern in the table above. So essentially, question 1 tests your ability to recognize patterns. So similarly, we treat questions 2 with Venn diagrams. Four parts. Question 3, and so on and so forth. This is a consumer arithmetic type problem. So step by step, I'll take you through the entire examination, so you become familiar not only with the structure of the exam, but you become familiar with the type of questions that come in the exam. So you'll be well prepared. In other words, you'll have the competitive advantage over your classmates when you use our system of videos that explain step by step, yes, step by step, how to solve these problems. No more cramming and waiting for the last minute to prepare for your exam. You just review the videos. Questions like this I go into detail, and you'll see me working the solutions on the right hand side of your screen. Remember, you have complete control of the videos. You can pause the video and replay the video any number of times, and then you can go and do the interactive quizzes that accompany the set of videos. So that's a quick review of the most recent National Grade 6 Assessment Examination. We'll do all the questions step by step. So there you have it. So the key benefits of reviewing past National Grade 6 Assessment Examination is to boost your confidence, because you become familiar with the structure of the exam and know exactly what the examiners are looking for.